Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
There is still no sign when, or on the other hand if, the 35 million purported trailblazers who mine on the Pi network, Pi, are truly going to profit from their coins. Starting around August 17, 2022, still no coins are being exchanged. There basically have been no exchanges and no fiat rewards, making it challenging to lay out the fundamentally worth of Pi coin. It is significant, before we go any further, to especially recognize Pi Network's coin from the Pi Network DeFi token, which runs on the Binance (BNB) blockchain and is accessible for exchanging on the PancakeSwap (CAKE) decentralized trade (DEX). In this way, what is Pi Network and how can it work, or so they thought? Have you known about the new digital money and are pondering the Pi coin as a genuinely expected interest in a significant manner? This video gives an outline of what the Pi network plans to accomplish and how Pi cost assumptions have arisen before a solitary coin has been exchanged a really significant way. What is Pi network? Pi network is a computerized money project that intends to, all things considered, keep digital currency mining open, as the centralization of original monetary standards like Bitcoin, BTC, has generally put them past the compass of numerous regular clients. The Pi network, created by a group of Stanford University graduates, empowers clients to mine Pi cryptographic money coins utilizing its work area and cell phone applications, approving exchanges on a disseminated record incredibly. Not at all like hubs on organizations, for example, Bitcoin that utilization evidence of work, POW, conventions. Pi hubs utilize a calculation in light of the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. Pi nodes approve exchanges on a conveyed record and arrive at an agreement on the request for new exchanges that the record records, which is very huge. Under SCP, Pi hubs structure security circles, or gatherings, of 3 to 5 believed individuals known to every one of the organization's clients. Security circles generally fabricate a worldwide trust network that forestalls fake exchanges, as exchanges can explicitly be approved on the common record assuming that the believed hubs endorse them. The Pi mining application goes about as a cryptographic money wallet, connected to a client's cell phone number or Facebook account. Similarly as with other and every way that really matters, public blockchains, the Pi blockchain will permit outside wallets to hold Pi coins and submit exchanges straightforwardly to the blockchain, or so they thought. Nonetheless, not at all like other blockchains, its engineers have not yet delivered its source code, which is very huge. With marking in light of the numerical consistent Pi, Phase 1 of the venture sent off on Pi Day, March 14, 2019, with a free Pi mining application in a significant manner. By June, the organization in a real sense had in excess of 100,000 all things considered, dynamic clients, which is genuinely critical. After a year, when Phase 2 sent off, there truly were more than 3.5 million clients. The application began running promotions in May 2020 to give a wellspring of supporting to the venture. On March 15, 2022, Pi Network declared that its user base had moved to 33 million, a greater number of than multiplying from 14 million in March 2021, which is genuinely huge. As with other cryptos, for example, Bitcoin, Pi was intended to go through ordinary dividing to safeguard its shortage. Dividing essentially is the point at which the quantity of coins a digger gets for handling new exchanges is diminished significantly. It as a rule happens when a specific achievement is reached. Pi's mining rate divided from 1.6 Pi to 0.8 Pi an hour when it arrived at 100,000 clients, split again to 0.4 Pi an hour when it arrived at 1 million. And divided again to 0.2 Pi when it arrived at 10 million clients. It will keep on splitting, arriving at 0 when Pi generally arrives at 1 billion clients, which is genuinely critical. In November 2021, the advancement group began delivering tech and item refreshes, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. These incorporated its pilot Know Your Customer, KYC, application and Block Explorer. Having been tried with local area mediators, The KICAP pilot was sent on a restricted premise to begin the most common way of checking pioneers and to work on the application's ease of use and machine mechanization, which is genuinely critical. The Pi Block Explorer, which generally assists pioneers with seeing exchange history and sort of investigates exchange information like source, recipient and sum, basically was additionally sent. The Pi wallet was likewise refreshed, empowering the engineers to make pop-up messages to caution pioneers when they get an installment on the blockchain, and fixing a bug for Android clients who couldn't see their wallet passphrase, in spite of prevalent thinking. Pi Network sent off an in-case mainnet on December 28, 2021 to keep testing in front of its full send-off. It likewise presented another mining component and framework to give pioneers a recreation of the forthcoming mining equation. The KICAP application was at first sent off to a couple thousand pilot members for testing, with 100 pioneers allowed per nation or district. On Pi Day this year, March 14, 2022, the improvement group fundamentally reported 2 additional updates, the rollout of a mass KIC arrangement, and another Pi mining component that permits more different mining rewards. These activities might actually improve the worth to publicists. The designers basically added that they were carrying out KIC for an enormous scope to qualified clients on 16th of March. Pi really stays in pre-discharge mode at the hour of composing. There explicitly is still no real way to explicitly purchase the Pi coin for sort of your portfolio. Clients who have mined the Pi digital money might have the option to truly pull out or trade their coins when the mainnet blockchain in a real sense is in every way that really matters, opened completely and credibly. Pi can't especially be moved during the testing stage. As per the venture site, this is to keep counterfeit records from amassing coins. Wallet adjusts are supposed to be regarded when Pi shifts from the improvement mode to especially turn into a completely for the most part live organization, which truly is genuinely critical. Subsequently, the coin sort of isn't yet accessible to exchange on any cryptographic money trade or exchanging stage a major way. Pi Network cost expectation for 2022 that in every practical sense, saw the coin exchanging at a really normal of $0.0127 all through the year amazingly. What really is the eventual fate of the Pi coin? Presently, banter go on as to whether Pi Network is a benevolent drive or a trick. In the event that it is a trick, it's anything but a conventional one in the design of a Ponzi conspire, as clients certainly are not putting away their cash, they are effective financial planning time on their cell phones. The association in a real sense has been condemned for supposedly taking advantage of its local area by offering publicizing to arrive at these 35 million clients in a significant manner. That figure comes from the Pi Network site and has not been refreshed since May 9.